Hello and welcome. I am Matt Taylor and this is my variety channel. Thank you for joining me. For those of you who might be new, every Friday I post a creative date idea from a book I published called 101 Creative Dates. Back in college, I had the idea to make this book. A lot of my friends had a hard time coming up with cool ideas or creative date ideas to do with their friends or their spouses or whatnot. So I thought it'd be fun to put this book together, and it took me 14 years to finally publish it. And what I decided to do was to post each and every date in their entirety here, and also to do a video introduction for each of those dates. So make sure to read down below the whole post to find out all about the date idea. And this idea is date number 42, Frisbee Golf. I love Frisbee Golf. It's also known as disc golf. The hardcore players call it disc golf. And the idea behind this is you would get some discs. They're special discs that you use to play disc golf or Frisbee golf. And you go and find a course to play at. A lot of times there'll be a normal park, or sometimes there'll be a golf course that has these special Frisbee golf or disc golf baskets set up for you. And it's really neat. So what you do is you'll take your discs, which are fairly inexpensive. They're a lot cheaper than golf clubs. You can get like three of them, like a beginner set for like 25 bucks or something like that. And you'll take them, you'll take your discs, and you'll go and you'll play the course. And what it entails is usually there's a little tee-off box, and you'll throw the disc, and you'll keep throwing it until you get it in the basket. And each one will be set up with a par, kind of like golf. So par 3, which means you need 3 shots to get it in the basket to get par, and so on. So if you're familiar with golf, it's very similar to this. It's a really, really fun game. It's a great time to get a little bit of exercise, to talk. It's also a very inexpensive date. And you can do it as a group, with a group of other couples, or you can do it with just you and your spouse, or you and your significant other, whoever that might be. Just a fun time to get out there and enjoy the outdoors and do something active. I really enjoy it, and I play all the time. I've played this week already once and probably will play again. So there you go. That is date number 42, Frisbee golf or disc golf. If you want to check out the book, down below I'll have a link to where you can buy it on Amazon. I have a paperback version, an ebook version, and if you are a member of Kindle Unlimited, it is free. Thanks for watching. Until next time, I am Matt Taylor. Happy dating, everyone.